We finally made it. We just stepped out of the airport, and I am ready for the ultimate island vacation.
ยินดีต้อนรับสู่ภูเก็ตค่ะ
Phuket. Phuket. It means Phuket. I have my obnoxious floral shirt on, and I am ready to step directly onto the sand.
ทะเลอยู่ไกลนะคะ
Thale. Thale. It means beach. Far? What do you mean? We are on an island. Shouldn't the ocean be right across the street?
ภูเก็ตใหญ่มากค่ะ
Yay maak. Yay maak. It means very big. How huge could it possibly be?
เป็นจังหวัดเลยค่ะ
Wait. It is an entire province? Like, with highways and cities? I definitely did not look at a map.
สวัสดีครับรถตู้พร้อมแล้วครับ
นี่พี่ปรีชาค่ะ จะขับรถให้เรา
Sawasdee krap. Sawasdee krap. It means hello. Nice to meet you. Precha. Take us to the ocean, please.
ไปทะเลตอนนี้รถติดนะครับ
Pai thale. Pai thale. It means go to the beach. Yes. Exactly. Let's go to the beach right now. Wait. What was that second part?
พี่เขาบอกว่ารถติดค่ะ
Rotit. Rotit. It means traffic jam. Traffic? Did you just say traffic jam? On my tropical island vacation?
ช่วงนี้คนเยอะค่ะไฮซีซั่น
Kon ye. Kon ye. It means many people. Right. High season. I guess a million other people had the exact same beach fantasy today.
เราไปเมืองเก่ากันก่อนดีกว่าครับ
Mueang Gao. Mueang Gao. It means old town. The old city? But I wore my beach sandals. I'm dressed for sand, not sidewalks.
ไปหาอาหารทะเลกินกันเถอะ
Ahan thale. Ahan thale. It means seafood. Okay. Fine. Food is a completely valid excuse to delay the beach.
พี่ปรีชารู้ร้านอร่อยค่ะ
If he knows the best local spots, then lead the way. I am in your hands.
ถึงแล้วค่ะ เดินระวังรถด้วย
Wow, look at all these incredibly colorful heritage buildings. The architecture here is amazing.
สวยไหมคะ
Sawai maak. Sawai maak. It means very beautiful. It looks like a painting. I had no idea this kind of history was hiding on the island.
คนภูเก็ตก็ใช้ชีวิตที่นี่แหละครับ
I guess most tourists just blindfold themselves until they hit the resort. I am so glad we stopped here.
หิวหรือยังคะ
Hiu lao. Hiu lao. It means hungry already. I am absolutely starving. My stomach has been rumbling since the airport. Let's conquer that menu.
ร้านนี้อาหารทะเลสดมากค่ะ
I see a massive grilled tiger prawn on that table over there. I want exactly that.
เอาอันนี้ค่ะ
Ao ani. Ao ani. It means I want this. Yes, pointing aggressively at someone else's dinner works universally.
เบนกินเผ็ดได้ไหมคะ
Pit. Pit. It means spicy. Definitely make it spicy. I have been in Thailand long enough to handle southern heat.
แน่ใจนะครับ อาหารใต้เผ็ดมากนะ
Absolutely sure, Precha. Bring on the fire. I am a seasoned traveler now.
อาหารมาแล้วค่ะ ลองชิมดู
It smells incredible. Here I go. Taking a brave, massive bite of southern seafood. Oh my god. I was wrong. I was so incredibly wrong. My tongue is literally melting into lava.
อร่อยไหมคะ
Alloy. Alloy. It means delicious. Through the tears, yes, it is the best seafood of my entire life. But please, hand me a cold drink.
เดี๋ยวผมพาไปเช่ารถมอเตอร์ไซค์ครับ
เช่ารถ เช่ารถ It means rent a vehicle. Wait, we are renting scooters now?
ใช่ค่ะ จะได้ขับไปทะเลง่าย
Finally, the beach. I am going to feel the ocean breeze instead of this chilly burn.
ๆ เก็บเงินด้วยค่ะ
Wait, let me pay for this. The food was incredible. And you guys saved me from a traffic jam. เท่าไหร่ เท่าไหร่ It means how much. Do I owe you for the best prawn in Phuket?
ราคาไม่แพงครับ
That is a shockingly good deal for food this fresh. ขอบคุณครับ ขอบคุณครับ It means thank you, all for not letting me go straight to the sand. Old Town is amazing.
พร้อมไปทะเลหรือยังคะ
I am very ready. Let's go rent those scooters. Subscribe to Thai Talk for more travel survival tips.